So I get sent photos like this all the time, and people are asking me, what's going on with this roof? Is this two different colors? And if you look real close, you'll see this line right here that kind of splits the roof in half, and it's slightly different on this side of the roof as it is on this side of the roof. And so what's going on here is not two different colors of shingles, not two different brands of shingles, but actually just different lots within the same brand and the same color. How does this happen? It's pretty common when you have contractors that order their materials through big box stores who don't carry enough of a single lot on hand, on site, to do a roof of this size. And so what happens is they put that material order in, and so half of them maybe came from the local big box store, and then the local big box store had to source the other half of the materials from a different region. And who knows when those two different stores bought their shingles. So they're probably just from different lots. We don't like the way this looks, and so we have a process to avoid this issue on our installs. We always use roofing specific distributors, and we get the whole roof package there together. Then our project manager walks through and inspects every single bundle to make sure that they all line up and they're all the same lot. So if there are any differences before the install, before the crew starts nailing these shingles onto the roof, we're inspecting to make sure they're all part of the same lot. And then that gives us a little bit of time to get those swapped out if we need to. Wondering if this is a big deal or not, well, that's kind of up to you to determine if that's a big deal to you. From an aesthetic standpoint, I don't like it. We don't hit Rome. This is not acceptable to us. That being said, from a functional standpoint, if you have this going on your roof, it's not going to cause a leak. It is just kind of a little bit of an eyesore. And there is a chance that over time, this may fade out and become less noticeable with time. But so if you see that, not a huge concern, don't worry about it. It's not worth ripping the whole roof off and redoing it, just for that little line. But I know it can be annoying. Roofs are not cheap, they're expensive. And when you invest in something like a roof, you expect it to look great. If this is something that concerns you and you want a contractor that's going to make sure that they do it right, that they're checking and paying attention to the small details like this, give us a call.